Hello fellow pioneers, finally a complete solution pack for all your KYC problems has arrived from the Pi core team themselves. Just take a very good look at this form. With this form from Pi core team, you can resolve any KYC problem in a matter of days. First of all, before applying for your Pi Network KYC, if you get a loading spinner or the error message, a slot is not available at the time when you click on the KYC application, all you need to do is to check this radio button here, which is this one for loading spinner, or this one for the error message, slot is not available. Secondly, when submitting your Pi Network KYC application, if you get any of these error messages or issues like consent, age, country, or ID type, just check this radio button here. If you have issues with uploading the ID document and you get the error message, picture extraction failed, check this one here, okay? If you have issues with entering personal details, you check this one. If you have issues with the live step or taking the selfie, you choose this one. If you have issues with loading, whereby you get the error message, we are processing your data, now this radio button is the one to check. If you have issues when you try to review or edit, whereby you cannot change your country or ID type, you check this one. If you have issues when you try to submit at the end of your KYC application, check this one. And if you receive this error message, something went wrong, okay? When you try to submit your KYC application, check this one. Do you understand? Now, go through this, list and see if you have any of these as an error message in your KYC application. Just go ahead and choose the right option, okay? Thirdly, if your Pi Network KYC application status is showing in review or review in progress, all you need to do is to choose the date you applied for the KYC. If you apply before January 2022, you choose this one. If you apply between January and April 2022, you choose this one. If you apply between May and August 2022, choose this one. If you apply between September and December 2022, you choose this one. If you apply for your KYC since January 2023 till date, you choose this one, okay? Now, when you are done, here is the most interesting part of it. After choosing your application date, here you can request for your pending KYC application, okay? So if you submitted the wrong ID type, just check this checkbox here, okay? If the name you used for the KYC application is different from the name you used to register for your Pi account, you choose this one. So you can choose as many as you want because this one is a checkbox. So what will happen is that after reviewing this information, now they will give you another opportunity to re-upload this document, okay? So it's very important to choose the necessary information you want re-uploaded. For this one now, my ID document was missing some of the following information: first name, last name, date of birth. If you have this problem, you choose this one as well, okay? So when you are done, you move on to the next step. So this last step is for validators, okay? So you say when reviewing KYC application from others as a validator. So if you have maybe you used to have access to validation but cannot access it anymore, you choose this one, okay? Liveness video don't load or show properly on my device, you choose this one. So this section here is for validators, okay? So if you're a validator, take your time and go through this list and choose the right option for you, okay? So if there is any other issue that is not captured by the form, you can go ahead and type it down here, okay, as a description. Now down here you have an option to upload screenshots of the problem you're having. All you need to do is to click on this browse button here and choose as many photos, screenshots of the problem you're having and have it uploaded, okay? So when you are done, you click on send and the Pi core team will get back to you in a matter of days or weeks, okay? Now the question is, how can you access this form? So it's very simple, okay? This is my Pi account. I'll click on this 3 horizontal line here. Then I'll click on support portal, okay? And I will choose any browser of my choice. Okay, if I scroll down, you can see suggested forms. The first link says KYC in email request. I'll click on it. Now you can see it takes me to this page, and this is where you have the forms I've been talking about here. Can you see that? Now take your time and make sure you fill in your email, okay, your Pi username. Do you see that? Fill that in. Verification method, choose the verification method you used on your Pi account. Choose as many. If you use phone number and email, you choose. Okay, if you can remember your password, choose yes, no, or you never set password. Okay, so make sure you choose the ones on asterisk is compulsory, like the Android or iOS. Your phone is it Android or iPhone, so make sure you choose the necessary, especially the ones on asterisk. Make sure you fill it up before trying to resolve your KYC issues. Okay, as simple as that. I believe when you take your time and fill this form and submit to Pi Network, they will get back to you and have your KYC problem resolved. If you get value watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon for more videos on Pi Network. Peace.